Hello friends, welcome back to Ivy Indiviers, and for those who are new to my channel, a very warm welcome. Today I'm coming back to you with another recipe of the yummy fish salmon. Here we are preparing the salmon fish in Indian style in a thick, spicy and sour gravy with tomatoes. If you like the recipe, then do like it, share it, and for sure subscribe to my channel Ivy Indiviers to stay in tune and to stay updated with the new recipes to come. Let's get started. So friends, for this Indian style salmon gravy, we are marinating our pieces of salmon with some lemon juice. We are squeezing some lemon juice into it. And then we are sprinkling some salt as per taste, little bit, very little bit. You can add as per your taste. And then some grounded black pepper powder, and some red chili powder. Now we are warming up some mustard oil on a pan. Let it come to the frying point. When it starts releasing some bit of steam, you know that it's ready for the fish to go into the oil. So in goes our salmon pieces into the oil. We are going to shallow fry it on each side just for 2 minutes. Friends, our pieces of salmon fish are now fried to this beautiful golden color on each side, and on the same pan which also has the fat from the salmon fish, I am now going to fry some chopped capsicum. So that the flavor of the salmon gets infused in it, I am going to sprinkle little bit of black pepper and salt into the capsicum, and once fried I am going to set it aside. Meanwhile, in another big pan we have warmed up some mustard oil again, and we are going to add chopped onion, one medium chopped onion, and some chopped garlic into the frying pan. We are going to fry the chopped onion and garlic till they are going to become translucent and golden brown. Then we are going to add fresh tomato puree made out of 2 medium-sized tomatoes into the mixture. Meanwhile, our capsicum is also frying on this side. Once they turn little bit soft, we are going to turn off the flame and let it sit on the fry pan itself for some time. Now we are adding our tomato puree into the mixture and let it fry for some time till the tomato starts releasing oil. Friends, now we are adding some garam masala into the gravy. This is 1 teaspoon of garam masala, then less than a teaspoon red chili powder, and some homemade cumin powder or jeera powder into the gravy. And then we are going to add salt and turmeric powder as per taste. We are adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Friends, you can now see that the mixture is releasing oil. It is fried properly. At this point, we are going to add some warm water into the gravy to make it smooth and lean, and let it boil on open flame for some 5 minutes. And then we are going to add our fried capsicum and salmon fish into the mixture. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Friends, after 5 minutes our gravy has reduced a little bit, and now we are adding our fried salmon into the gravy, and at the end we are going to add our fried capsicum. Let it simmer on low flame for another 5 minutes, and then we are going to add our capsicum. Friends, now we are adding our capsicum into the gravy. Friends, the reason we are adding the fried capsicum at the end is that so that it retains its crispy texture, and if it absorbs a lot of water it will become little bit soggy and little bit sour also. That's why we are adding it at the end. And now we are going to garnish our gravy with some fresh chopped coriander. That's it. Our beautiful salmon gravy with tomato puree is now ready to be relished with a plate full of hot steamed rice. Friends, I hope you liked today's video. Do give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Ivy Endeavors. Your comments mean a lot to me and encourage me to post more. I'll come back soon with some interesting videos. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and bye for now.